21 degrees outside. I decided to grill some wings. Do you want to know how I season them? Check this video. You thought this video was about me cooking chicken wings in the cold. You're right about half of it, because I can barely feel my hands. But it's the new Trinity sauce. Trinity sauce that I'm trying. Got it on. Smells very spicy. What up? It's not that hot. Nah, it's hot as fuck. It's good though. It's a flavor good. It's not one of them spicy goods. Oh, it's still lingering. And you guys try this. This is flavorful. It's really good. I'm not gonna cap. I gotta show y'all boys. Now that kick come right when the taste is your taste buds. That you'll be like, ah!